Hello friends, welcome to my Sakshi coaching channel. Now in this video I am going to revise all the important formulas in the chapter circular motion. So let's start. Average angular velocity, that is equals to theta 2 minus theta 1 upon t2 minus t1 equals to delta theta upon delta t, where delta theta is the angular displacement. Instantaneous angular velocity, omega equals to d theta upon dt. Average angular acceleration, that is equals to omega 2 minus omega 1 upon t2 minus t1, that is equals to delta omega upon delta t. Delta omega is the angular velocity. Instantaneous angular acceleration, alpha equals to d omega upon dt, that is equals to omega into d omega upon d theta. Relation between speed and angular velocity, v equals to r omega and v equals to omega cross r. R is the radius and omega is the angular velocity and v is the tangential velocity. Tangential acceleration, rate of change of the speed, at equals to dv upon dt, that is equals to r into d omega upon dt, that is equals to omega into dr upon dt. Radial or normal or centripetal acceleration, ar equals to v square upon r, that is equals to omega square into r. Total acceleration, a equals to a tangential plus a radial, that is equals to under root a tangential square plus a radial square, where a tangential equals to alpha cross r and a radial equals to omega cross r. Angular acceleration, in case of a non-uniform circular motion, alpha equals to d omega upon dt. Radius of curvature r equals to v square upon perpendicular acceleration, that is equals to mv square upon f perpendicular. If y is the function of x, then we can write r equals to 1 plus dy upon dx a whole square to the power 3 by 2 upon d square y upon dx square. Normal reaction of rod on a concave bridge. On balancing all the forces, we get normal reaction equals to mg cos theta plus mv square upon r in case of concave bridge. Normal reaction on a convex bridge. On balancing all these forces, we get n equals to mg cos theta minus mv square upon r. In case of skidding of vehicle on a level road, safe velocity is less than or equal to under root mu g r, where r is the radius, g is the acceleration due to gravity and mu is the coefficient of friction. Skidding of an object on a rotating platform, in this case maximum angular velocity equals to under root mu g upon r. In case of bending of cyclist, tan theta equals to v square upon rg, and in case of banking of road without friction, tan theta equals to v square upon rg. Banking of road with friction, in this case v square upon rg equals to mu plus tan theta upon 1 minus mu tan theta. Maximum and minimum safe speed on a banked frictional road, in this case maximum safe velocity equals to under root rg into mu plus tan theta upon 1 minus mu tan theta, and minimum safe velocity equals to under root rg into tan theta minus mu upon 1 plus mu tan theta. Centrifugal force or pseudo force F equals to m omega square r acts outwards when the particle itself is taken as a frame. Effect of Earth's rotation on apparent weight, that is equals to n equals to mg minus mr omega square cos square theta, where theta is latitude at a place. Various quantities for a critical condition in a vertical loop at different positions. 1, 2, 3. In all these cases, for completing the circle, minimum velocity equals to under root 4g into L. In case of conical pendulum, by balancing all the forces, we get t cos theta equals to mg and t sin theta equals to m omega square r. Hence we get a time period that is equals to 2 pi under root L cos theta upon g. Relations among the angular variables. Omega naught is the initial angular velocity. Omega equals to omega naught plus alpha t. Theta equals to omega naught t plus half alpha t square, where omega naught is the initial angular velocity, alpha is the angular acceleration, t is the time period, and theta is the angular displacement. Omega square equals to omega naught square plus 2 alpha theta. In this way, all the important formulas are covered. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel to get new videos. Thank you.